Online my screen is visible. Okay. Yesterday we have seen Python variable rules for writing, three type of variable assignment, data types. Okay. What is typecasting? Yes. Pradeep, what is typecasting?
Typecasting is changing if it is in a string in a double quote, we can in so that it changes to a numerical value or integers.
Okay.
Like
We can convert a string to an integer. Okay, let us suppose in double quotes there is Arun Pal. Okay, I want to convert it into integer. Is it possible? No. Yes. So this case you should know. This Himanshu, please read.
Data types, Python casting, specify a variable type. Casting in Python is therefore done using construction functions. Integer. Construction and integer number from an integer literal, a float literal, by all decimals, or a string literal, providing the string represents a whole number. Float constructs a float number from an integer literal, a float literal or a string literal, providing the string represents a float or an integer. String constructs a string from a wide variety of data types, including strings, integer, literals, and float literals.
So understood? If inside a string there is integer float, then only it can be converted. Okay. But inside string there is characters, so it cannot be converted into integer float. Okay. Now today we are going to see operators. Karthik, read.
operators, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, membership operators, bitwise operators, identity operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There are 7 arithmetic operations in Python: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and float division.
So let us see them. So see, addition, subtraction, no need to say, right? Plus symbol, plus, minus, multiplication. Now divide. You can see this divide is giving me output in a floating point. Yes. So see here, what is num1 value? 10. Divide by 4. What it will be? 2.5, right? 4 to the 8 point. Remainder is 2. 0 is taken. So 4 5 the 20. 2.5. So it is giving me output in the float. Modulus. Modulus, what it is doing? So again 10 mod 4. It is giving me remainder. Mod is used to see the remainder. When I divide 10 divided by 4, okay, 4 to the 8, remainder is 2. Yes. So it will tell me what is the remainder. It will divide it once, and whatever the values are remaining, that is our remainder. Okay. Understood, Himanshu?
What is modulus?
Modulus will give us remainder.
That's the reminder.
Yes.
So, do we need that, or is it like it can show us the reminder? That's why we are seeing this modulus.
Means,
Because when we are dividing, we just need the result, right?
see, modulus, when I am dividing, see, when I use divide slash, so it will give me a total result after dividing. The total result when I divide 4, when I divide 10 by 4, my total result is 2.5. And when I don't want to see the total result, I just want to see remainder, quotient if I want to see, or quotient one operator is there. Yes. Okay. So sometimes quotient is also required. Sometimes remainder is also required. Yes. So for that purpose, we never know what we require, right? So all these things are available here. So this is mod, which will give me a reminder. Okay. So if I divide, see here, 105 mod 25. 105 mod 25. What will be the output? Reminder. 5 will be the reminder, right? 5 will be the reminder. Okay. 120 divided by 25. Reminder will be 20. Okay. So here I am getting the reminder. Using mod, I am getting what? Reminder. Now exponential. For exponential, we will use double star. Okay. When I write 2 double star 4 or 2 double star 3, it means I am trying to find out 2's cube. Okay. If I write 2 double star 2, if I'm trying 2's power 2, that is square. If I'm writing 5 double star 3, I'm trying to find 5's cube. Okay. 5 double star 4, I'm trying to find 5 power 4. Okay. So whatever is the first number, that is our base, and second number is the power. Okay. So 10 power 4. So what will be the output for this? 10 power 4? 10,000. Okay. I can say 1, after that 4 zeros. So that is what exponential. Clear? Now we will see float division. Normal division, what it does?
It has both quotient and remainder. Normal division. Float division.
It is giving us a total value, that is after dividing a number, whatever is my quotient. Quotient, you know, after totally dividing a number, whatever is the quotient, it will give me that. But when I divide a number only for one time, okay, let us suppose 10 divided by 4. I divide it by 4. No. Yes, 10 divided by 4. So 4 to the 8. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 2. At this point, what is the quotient? 2. So that it will return. Okay. It will not go for the next step, taking a point, doing the final one. It will not go for that. Only for the first time, whatever it divides. If it is completely divided, let us suppose 10 divided by 5. 5 to the 10. Remainder is 0. Okay. At this time, what is the question? 2. Yes. If I say 10 mod 5, remainder will be 0. Understood? So whatever we divided for the first time, okay. So whatever remainder is there, I will get it by mod. Whatever quotient is there, I will get it by floor division. Clear, everyone?
So if it is like 100 by 2, whether it is a
100 by 2. Floor division will be 50.
50, right? The whole one means the after the point there will be nothing.
Yeah. And if I say just divide 10 divided by what is your question? 50 divided by 100 divided by 2. So answer will be 100.0. 100.0. And in case of divide, because divide gives me output in the form of float. So floating number is what? 100.0. Yes. If it is there 101 divided by 2, so then it will be 50.2. Yes. So 100 divided by 2, what will be the output? 50.0. Yes. Clear, everybody? When I divide, only simply divide, I will get output in the floating point. When I floor division, I will get only the integer part, that is question. Clear? Any doubt, online people? Junu?
Yeah, clear, Arun.
See, right now our numbers are 10 and 4. Okay. When I say floor division, what will be the quotient? 2. In the case of only divide, 2.5. See here. Here I have done both of them. I am dividing 300 by 29, 300 floor division 29. So in this case I am getting whole after division, and in this case only I am getting integer part of that number. Clear everybody? This is the difference. Assignment operators. Okay, assignment operator, you know, a equal to 10. 10 is 10 value is being assigned to the a. So this is the assignment operator. This we have seen. Now remaining operators we are going to see now. Okay, assignment operators are just the combination of arithmetic operator with equal. Equal to is the assignment operator. So combination of arithmetic plus assignment operator together is a assignment operator. Clear? So let us see now what they are doing. You know this much. First one is easy. X equal to 10, print x. Second one is the short form of x plus equal to 5. Is the short form of this. X equal to x plus 5. X equal to x plus 5. What is the value of x? 10. 10 plus 5 is, and this value is again being assigned to the x. Understood? Clear? So x is getting a new value now. Okay, what is that? X plus 5. Yes. So if I want to increase something in the same variable, so I can use this kind of operator, plus equal to 5. Yes. So a new value is being assigned to that x. Okay. So this is the shortcut for that. X plus equal to 5 means this is happening at the back end. Okay. This x equal to x plus 5 and x plus equal to 5 both will work for same thing. The same. Okay. Only the way of writing is different. Got it, Himanshu? Is Bhumika? X plus equal to 5 is same as x equal to x plus 5. Okay. So what is happening here? X equal to 10 plus 5. Yes, 15 is again being assigned back to the value of x. Subtraction. Now everyone will do the same. Okay. 10 minus 3. The new value of x is 7. 10 into 2. I say print x. Value of x will be 20. Okay. Divide. Output will be 2.5. So this new value of x is 2.5, not 10. Modulus. Mod value will be, remainder is 2. So new value of x is 2. New value of x will be now 1000. 10 power 3 is 1000. Floor division. New value of Value of x will be Bhumika. What will be the value of x? What does floor division do? Question. It will give the question, right? Question. What is mean by question? Question. See, when we divide by this symbol, right? Yes. So here, what is having 3? Inside, I have 10. 3 3s are 9. So under 10, I will write 9. Yes. 3 3s are 9. Above that symbol, I will write 3. So that above part is known as question. When I say 3 3s are 9, when I write 9, 10 minus 9, 1. So this 1 is what? Reminder. Yes. So this floor division is giving me the question. Yes. Mod is giving me the reminder. Clear? Should I write it on the board? Online people, have you understood?
Yes.
Marcus. That will not work, I guess. Spelling of question. The upper part is question. This is reminder. Okay. This is dividend or divisor, something like this. Names are there. Okay. So who is being divided is the dividend, and who is dividing it is divisor. Okay. All these names are there. So these names are not important. This question and reminder is important. Got it? What is question? So here in the assignment operator, the quotient value is being assigned to the value of x. Okay, it is similar to x equal to x floor division 3. Okay, so value of x floor division 3 will be 3 because the quotient is 3. 3 3s are 9. Yes, so quotient will be 3. If I say this mod, okay, 10 mod 3, if I say, what will be the answer? Bhumika, 10 mod 3. See there on the board. Same example is there, na? 10 mod 3. Huh? 3. See, mod will give you reminder. What is reminder? What is the answer? 1. So mod is giving you reminder and floor division is giving you question. Yes, and normal division also, let me show you. The normal division will divide it till the end. Okay, so I will take here point, then I add here 0, then again 3 3 3. Yes, again it will happen, keep on happening because it is not being, so 1 is going to come. Again I am taking 9. It will keep on going. So it will give some 3 3 for some time and it will end. So who is this? 10 divided by 3. So answer will be 3.333. 10 mod 2 division 3. Answer will be 3. 10 mod 3. Answer will be 1. Got it? So this is reminder. This is quotient in the integer part, and this is floating part. Clear, everybody? Now tomorrow, if you don't answer, tomorrow not, next week. So throughout the week, you have to revise all these things. Okay. If you don't know what is reminder, what is quotient, uh, go to internet and see. Okay. So are we clear with this assignment operator and arithmetic operator? Bhumika? Very good. Now we'll see comparison operator. Yesterday we have seen some part, right? Comparison operator. Only one example we have seen. Greater than, less than. Yes? So this is greater than. Okay, remember now. This symbol is greater than. This is less than. Okay? Whoever is on this side, on the left side, we are talking about that right now. Okay? Let us fix the left side person. That is x is greater than y. Next line, x is less than y. We are only talking about x. Okay? Understood? So if we change the perspective, y is less than x for the first one. What is that? Y is less than x. This also I can read, right? That's why when we are seeing by two perspective, we are getting confused. Yes or no? If I say y is less than x and you are thinking x is greater than y, so the perspective is different, right? That's why sometimes you get confused. When you fix the left side thing, left side variable as a fix, we'll read always about the left side. Okay, x is on the left side. So whenever there is an open mouth, whomever side, so that one is a greater one, you can say. So x is greater than y. Next one is this time the mouth is open towards y. So I can say x is less than y. Clear? Now equal to equal. When I'm writing 2 times equal to, I'm checking whether x is equal to y. I'm checking that. Understood? So when I say x equal to y, this is assigning the value of y to x. But when I write 2 times equal to, it is checking whether x is equal to y or not. Clear? When I say exclamation mark equal to, it means not equal. When I say greater than or equal to means if any one thing is correct, so output will be true. Either it should be greater than or it should be equal to. Yes? So if any one is true, then it will be output will be true. If both are wrong, neither the x is greater than nor it is equal to y, so it will be false. Output will be false. And similar to this, less than equal to. If x is neither less than or equal to y, output will be false. Clear? See, whatever the value of this going to come, that is true or false, it is being stored in E. Okay, and that I am trying to print. Or I can directly also print this. I can do like this also. Got it? Directly I will get the output. This value will not store anywhere. In this case, it is getting stored in E. Yes? And right now here, it is directly printing. Once it is done, the value is gone. I don't have access to it anywhere in the code. Clear? So what it is telling, num1 equal to num2. Is it correct? False. Output will be false. Not equal to, I am telling num1 not equal to num2. Output will be true. All the conditional operators output is what? Yes. Greater than. Num1 is greater than. See, num1 is 10. Now num2 is 5. It is true. Less than. False. Yes. Num2 is 5. Num1 is 10. So I am seeing in the perspective of num1. So num1 is less than num2. This condition is false. Greater than or equal to. Num1 is greater than or equal to. True it. 10 is greater than. Yeah. So I told you, no. Any one condition is true, output will be true. Understood? I'm telling in the sentence how I read this greater than or equal to. Understood? Here in the sentence only I'm telling, I'm keeping my word that either it is greater than or it is equal to. Okay. So I'm not fixing my comment. Okay. Whatever I'm telling, it is not a fixed value. It is having condition. Either you can come to my party or you can stay at home. So I give you condition, right? It is not compulsory for you to come to my party. Got it? So this is what it is. Less than or equal to. So num1 is not less, right? And not equal to also. Num1 is greater than. Yes? So this output will be false. Got it, Himanshu? The logical operator is not there. Here it is. Logical operator. So let us try to understand it here itself. When I say and, so let me give you an example. When if you are going for creating a license in RTO office, you are going, and they are asking you, you have to come with your Aadhaar card and PAN card. Aadhaar card and PAN card. It means if any one is not with you, you will not be able to proceed. Okay. But if they say like this, you can bring your Aadhaar card or PAN card. It means any one is enough. Understood? So and means both should be there. If any one is not there, output will be false. If both are not there, then no chance, right? Any one is not there, then only you're not getting. So both are not there, then 100% will not get. So both are not there. Any one is not there, will get false. Okay. Both are there, only then you will get your driving license. Clear it? So this is the condition. So let us see here. So I am writing here. First condition is what? Num1 is greater than num2. Second is num2 is greater than num1. Okay. So as we know that our num1 value is what? 10. Num2 value is 5. So first condition is what I am having. Num1 is greater than num2. It's true. Num1 is less than num2 is less than no. Num2 is greater than num1. It is false. So one condition is true, one condition false. So when I say here bool1 and bool2, output will be false. So see, there are three things which will give me output, and only one condition which will give me true. If both the values bool1 and bool2 are true, then only I will get the true. In terms of and operator, okay, when both are compulsory. Or operator, see here. When I say you can bring your Aadhaar card or PAN card. So three condition true here. If you bring both, then also you'll get. If you bring any one, if you bring Aadhaar card only, you'll get. you get bought PAN card only, then also you'll get. Okay. If you do not brought anything, then no one can help you. Got it? Clear, everyone? Not. There are three things in logical operator: and, or, not. Okay. So and, or you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Bhumika, have you understood? What are these two conditions? Tell me. And or.
If we have to use both means, we can use another.
See, Bhumika, don't get nervous. We are in the learning process. Okay. If in the next week also, if you say anything wrong, that is totally fine. Okay. So first of all, the thing is that you have to make yourself comfortable in the class. Okay. Throughout the course, till the end of the day, I'm not going to kind of make you feel low or insult you. Never. Okay. It's just the topic, guys. Today you don't know, tomorrow you might be knowing it. Okay. It's not a big thing, very big thing. Okay. Okay. So don't have to bother about it. Clear? Just we are here for learning thing. So I am here to make sure that you learn it properly. Okay. So whatever I am going to tell, so it is only for your benefit. Okay. So you first of all you have to remove that hesitation, that nervousness from your mind. Okay. What other will think? Okay. What sir will tell? So this kind of questions when there are in your brain, so that time you will not be focused, you will not be able to answer, though you know it. Okay. So that kind of hesitation I can see on your face. So remove that. Okay. So no problem. And operator, when both are true, both condition are compulsory. So at that time I should be using and operator. If any one condition is compulsory, so at that time I can use or operator. Clear? So not. What is doing not? Not is like our friend. Yes. So whenever I say a positive thing, next moment my friend will tell a negative thing about the same thing. Yes. So this is what a not operator is. So if I'm saying bool one, okay, bool one is what? It has some value, right? True value. So it is making it false. Not is making it false. Okay. So if inside bool there is false, not is making it true. That's making it opposite. Clear? So bool1 value you know, right? Bool1 value is what? True. So when I run this not of bool1, output will be false. So what we have seen till now? Tell me. Assignment operator, logical operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator. Comparison? Huh? Comparison operators we have seen, na? Equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. That are comparison. Comparing. Yes, two conditions. Logical operator comparing multiple conditions. Yes, group of two conditions they were comparing, right? So that in that way I can compare any number of conditions. Okay, got it? Now this is membership operator. Karthik or wait, you know? Are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Please read.
Okay. Membership operators in and not in are the membership operators used to test whether a value or variables in is in a sequence.
in true if value is found in sequence, not in true if value is not
What are
found
you
in sequence.
Actually, I'm looking for solace. There is a moment of your power there.
asked to the management, na?
Yes, I asked him. He said that he is in another level of home.
Okay. And wait there itself, so that they can understand you are not got till now. Okay. Yeah. Have you done, Juno?
Yes, Arun.
Yes. So membership operator, they are checking whether element which I am looking for, it is present in a sequence or not. What are the sequence? List, tuple, yes, set, yes, not dictionary. Dictionary is mapping type. Sequence type we have seen, right? So they are checking whether they are in the sequence or not. So when I am writing, this is the list. Yes. So when I am writing 2 in list 1, it is there in list 1.
Yes, sir.
So output is true. Okay. Similarly, when I am writing 4, not in list 1, 4, not in list 1,
It's true.
it's true. Yes. So we are checking the condition whether this element is present inside the list or tuple or not. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So membership operators are for checking the membership of that particular element in the sequence. If it is there,
It's true.
it's true. Yes, it depends on the condition. When I'm saying 4 is not there, so then also it is true. Yes, if I write 2 is not there, 2 not in list 1, then
It's false.
false. 4 in list 1,
False.
false. Got it? I'll see bitwise operator. Yes, Pradeep.
Bitwise operators. In Python, bitwise operators are used to perform bitwise computations and integers. And integers are first converted into a binary, and then operations are performed on bit by bit. Hence the name bitwise operators. Then the result is returned in a decimal format.
Yes. Now see bitwise operator do the calculation in binary digit. Let us suppose what is the binary number of 10? 1010. How to convert it first? Let us try to learn that. Okay. So you can see this 1010. 1 means true, 0 means false. Yes. So here you can see I have written 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Okay. So values of that is 1, 2, 4, 8. Yes. If I want to make it 10, 8 plus 2, 10. So 8 should be true, 2 should be true, 4 and 1 should be false. So when I write this 1010, it becomes 10. Yes, 8 is true plus 2 is true. Yes or no? 8 is true, 2 is true. Output is 10. So I'm writing in that way 1010. Okay. So this is always there in the back end to convert. Okay. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Total addition is how much? 15, right? If I want to see binary of 15, so 4 times 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. But if the number is greater, like 64, this. So this 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, this kind of it will get increased. Okay. Understood, Omega? So how to convert this? So I want the answer for 9. Tell me the binary of 9. 1, 0, 0, 1. Yes. For 8 is true. This 1 is true. So 1, 0, 0, 1 I want. Then I will get 9. Okay. Juno, online guys, have you understood? Should I repeat?
I think
Yes,
repeat
please
please.
repeat.
Okay. You said yes for understanding or repeating?
Repeating.
Okay. See here, I want this number 7. This is a decimal number. I want to convert it into binary. 010101 format. I want it. So, see, this is while using the bitwise operator, we don't have to convert it. Okay. This will happen at the back end. I don't have to do it. Okay. But what is happening at the back end, that I should know. Yes, if I want a perfect result. Okay, so I'm the one who is giving the input, right? So whatever input output I want, accordingly I have to think and give the input. Yes, I should know at least whatever things are going at the back end. For that's why we are trying to understand this. Now see, what is the value of 7? So I'm writing this. Okay, you can also write in your notebook 2 power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay, that is a rule. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2 will be 8. So this is the what we can say syntax or a system to convert a number to the binary. So whatever I want a number, let us suppose 7. So I want to check how can I bring out 7. 4 plus 2, how much it is? 6 plus 1, 7. So these three values I want as true and one value I want as false, because I don't want 8 in the output. Yes. So one value I will write 0 under 8. Under 8 I will write 0 and remaining values I will write 1. Yes. So wherever there is 1, I will add them. Yes. Wherever there is 0, that is false value. So that will not come in my addition. Understood? So wherever there is 1, it means true. Do I want to add 4? True. Do I want to add 2? True. Do I want to add 1? True. So 3 times 1 is there. So these three numbers will get added. 4 plus 2 plus 1. Yes. Do I want to add 8? 0. Yes. So I will not add 8 because it is false. I don't want it. So in addition, I'll be adding 0 instead of that. Yes. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Get it? So my binary value of that number will be 0111. Got it, everybody? Now tell me, Bhumika, no one should speak out. Binary value of 13. 13. 13. Online people put in the chat box value of binary digit 13, 13. Do you know? Yes, Karthik, do you know? Pradeep, Bhumika, think. Do I want the value of 8 in the output? Yes. For 4, I want 8 plus 4 is how much? Huh? 8 plus 4 is 12. So I want the total as 13, right? So after, do I want 2? I want 1, right? I don't want 2. Yes. So for 2, I will write 0. I want 8, 4, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, we have to count it in this. From left to right. 1, 1, 0, 1. Got it now? Bhumika? Correct. Please close the door.
What about 17?
So you have to increase the values.
Increase the value, right?
Yes. So if you understand this, so it is enough. You can now increase the power. 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. So the numbers, you can get more values. Clear? And this much if you understand, remaining things, this is for our understanding. And whatever values you give in input. Everything will be taken care of at the back end. Here, they will process it and give you the output. Is it fine? Let me check online people's. Have they 1101? Very good. So you have understood how to convert it. Okay. Now, once the number I have given 10 and 7. Okay. This is bitwise AND. This symbol is bitwise AND. This pipe symbol is bitwise OR. This is bitwise NOT. We have seen logical operator AND OR NOT. Yes. So same things are here, just they are operating in bitwise. Yes. That's why we have given a different symbol. AND is ampersand. OR is pipe symbol. This bitwise NOT is whatever that symbol called. Okay. Negative symbol. This is known as caret. Okay. XOR symbol is this 8 kind of symbol, that is caret, called as caret. You just find out the name of this. Okay. So all these are the symbols. Okay. Now you see here, I'm writing 10 and 7. 10 and 7. Let me uncomment this so that it will come in proper alignment. See, 10 and 7. So what do you mean by 0? False. 1, true. So now 0 and 1. What is false? In the keep the table of that and logical and in your brain. Okay. True, true, true. Other all are false. So here is there any true, true? This is true and this is true. Second right. Yes. So other all are 0. Yes. 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1.
So bitwise only for like changing into binary, but bitwise and also for like.
Now first see, now we have to compare 10 and 7. First thing is I have to convert it into bitwise. Then only I can compare. Yes, these 4 values are there. I want to compare. First, the rightmost value with the rightmost value of 10, that is 0, and the rightmost value of 7 is 1. Comparing each element pairwise. Okay. So this is false and this is true. False true is false according to the AND condition, logical AND. Got it, everybody? So what I'm getting output 0 0 1 0. So when I'm converting back into decimal, then it is 2. Yes or no? See, 0 0 1 0. Yes. So only 2 is there in the output. Clear, everybody? So bitwise OR. OR is also the same condition like logical OR. I want any one as true. Output will be true. Both are false. Output will be false. Got it? So now 0 1 is true. 1 1 is true. 0 1 is true. 1 0 also true. So I'm getting what? 15. Got it? Any doubt? So when I say 10 or 7, I'm getting 15. When I say 10 and 7, I'm getting 2. Got it? So these are the outputs for the bitwise. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now XOR. Condition for XOR is any one should be false. Okay. Any one should be true. Any one should be false. For 1 0 0 0 1. Yes. See, for 1 0 0 0 1. For 2 0 0 1 0. For 3 0 0 1 1. For 4 0 1 0 0. For 5 0 1 0 1. Okay. For 6 0 1 1 0. Got it? So simultaneously we can go till 15. Got it, everyone? Now XOR. Any one is true, any one is false, then output getting true. Both are true, both are false, output is false. This is the XOR condition. Okay. This is designed at the backend. They have taken decision. Okay. If I want to find the output according to the XOR, so this should be the output. It is fixed values. Okay. So XOR, if any one is true, okay, or any one is false, output getting true. But both are same. Both are true, both are false. Then I am getting false. Clear? So this is according to the XOR. Now, if I say 10 XOR 7, so here both 1 and 1 are same, right? So for this only I am getting 0. Other all are different. Yes, other all are different. 1 0, 0 1, okay, 0 1. Yes. So whenever there is a two different values, output getting true. Same, both the values same, both true, both false. Output is false. This is for condition for the XOR. Clear, everyone? So I'm getting here 1101. That is decimal value is 13. Yes. So I'm doing 10 and 7, output getting 2. 10 or 7, output getting 15. 10 XOR 7, output getting 13. Okay. Clear, everyone? This is what bitwise operator. And bitwise not formula, let us see. So whenever it's saying not, so if I am passing a number 2, it is positive number, make it negative. Positive number, make it negative, right? This is condition we have seen, logical not. If number is true, condition is true, it is making false. If it is false, making it true. So here also, if I positive, if I pass 10, okay, if I pass 10, output is getting negative number. And how giving negative? 10 bitwise 10 plus 1. Okay, so minus 11 will be the output for 10. If I enter 9, minus 10 will be the output. If I enter 8, minus 9 will be the output. If I enter 5, then Himanshu? See, 10 I am entering, I am getting minus 11. 10 plus 1, 11 and giving the negative value. Okay. So if I am entering 9, I am getting value minus 10. If I am giving 5, I will get what value? Minus 6. If I get 2, then minus 3. Understood? Easy it is? Yes. If I enter 13, I am getting minus 14. Clear, everybody? Online? Omkar?
Yeah, I think you have to repeat, sir.
Which one?
The same one which you were explaining. So minus 5, as you said, again from there.
Okay. So Omkar, why don't you ask before I ask you? Are you taking any kind of tension or hesitation to ask?
No. I was actually checking the notes, but
Okay. So, okay, that is fine. So, you know logical not, Omkar? Not operator.
ah,
What it is doing?
so it is like showing the different value, which is not the same.
Hmm?
So let's say A is 1 and B is 2. So it's showing, if you ask for A, it's showing for 2 B's value.
Hmm. See, listen to me. A is having value true, B is having See, normal not, we don't want more conditions to understand it. If A value is true, if I say not of A, what will be the output?
False.
False. If A value is false, if I say not of A, output will be
True.
true. So similarly, bitwise, if I say 10, 10 is a positive number,
Yep.
yes or no? Output will be something false, something negative, right? Yes. If
Mhm.
number is positive, output will be something negative. That much you understood.
Yes, yes.
Now here the formula is bitwise 10 plus 1. Okay, bitwise of that number plus 1. Okay, so if it is 5, what is the bitwise value of that? Bitwise value of 5.
So minus
Bitwise
5.
of 5.
Sir, 0101.
0 1 0 1. Okay, because 0 1 it is 4, and then 0 1 under 1 it is coming 1.
Yes, sir.
So 4 plus 1, that is 5. So 0 1 0 1. Again I am adding 1. Okay, so it is becoming 6. Clear? So negative of 6 I will be getting. Negative of 6. Understood? If
But
I am
it's
adding,
4 plus 1, right?
okay, don't go into that logic, just try to understand. Whatever number I enter, let us suppose 5, do plus 1, that will be 6, and do the negative of it. If I enter 7, do plus 1, 8, okay, and do the negative of it. If I enter 9, 9 plus 1, 10, and make it
10.
negative. Okay,
Minus
whatever number I enter, plus 1 and negative.
plus 1 and negative. Okay.
That is the formula. Let us, if you remember that much, it will be enough. Okay,
Okay.
because everything is happening at the back end. Okay, we just need to know what it is doing. Clear? Plus 1 negative. Clear, Karthik, Pradeep, Omkar?
Clear.
So one operator is remaining. That is identity. Where it is? Can you see identity operator? Identity operator. Okay. Read it, Karthik.
Identity operators is and is not are the identity operators. Both are used to check if two values are located on the same part of the memory. Two variables that are equal do not imply that they are identical.
Try to let us try to understand it. Here is our identity operator. So every time I teach this, I take the example of students sitting in the class. Okay, let us say Karthik, K-A-R-T,
Cycles.
Karthik, and your name Bhumika. Spelling Bhumka, Bhumika, and Pradeep, Pradeep. Okay, Now you see both the lists are same.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If I say Karthik equal to Bhumika, logically, as this two lists are same, okay, I can say yes. Yes, both the lists are same. But let us understand it by this. iPhone 15. Karthik is also having iPhone 15. Bhumika is also having iPhone 15. Okay, but both the iPhone 15 are models are same, company same, everything is same. But both you are having your own iPhone 15. Yes,
Yes, sir.
you are having your own iPhone 15. She is having her own iPhone 15. Okay, so both the phones are different.
Yes, sir.
Can I say both are equal? Here, the meaning of both are equal is one single piece. No, right? Now, when I say Pradeep equal to Karthik, here what I'm saying, Pradeep is using Karthik's iPhone 15. Pradeep is using Karthik's iPhone 15. So, in both of you, iPhone 15 is single. Yes or no? So, this is the meaning of it. So, when I say is, Pradeep is Karthik, so output is coming true. Output will come true. Okay? True. But when I say Pradeep is Bhumika, output will be false because Pradeep is using Karthik's mobile. Yes, and Bhumika is using her own mobile. Both the mobiles are same. Model number, iPhone company, everything is same. But still I cannot say equal. Okay. So similarly, the list present in here in the Karthik, variable name Karthik, is having some address. Okay, having some address where it is stored. Okay, some memory address where that list is stored. Bhumika, the variable name, this list is having some address where it is stored. Both the address are different. Both the address are different. But when it comes to Pradeep, Pradeep is using same address as Karthik. Okay, the list where the in the Karthik variable, the address which is stored, same address is used by Pradeep. Okay, so both Karthik and Pradeep are referencing to the same address. Yes, and Bhumika is referencing to another address. So that's why here the difference is of the address. Got it? So when I'm saying Pradeep and Karthik are equal, so the address which they are referring is same. When I'm saying Bhumika is equal to Karthik or Pradeep is not equal to because her address is different. Clear now? Any doubt? So when I say Pradeep is Bhumika, output will be false, and Pradeep is Karthik, output will be true. Got it, everyone? Similarly, just when I say not, is not. Omkar, have you understood?
Yes.
Clear? Is not. Karthik is not. Bhumika, true. So in this way, we have completed the operators. Okay. So these operators we are going to use throughout the course. Yes. So you will be having enough practice on this. Okay. We have multiple questions according to the question. First of all, you have to go through this file once again as soon as the class ends. You have to remember what modulus do, what exponential do, okay, what the assignment operators do, what will be the output of comparison operator, logical operator, bitwise operators. Yes, try to do some more examples. Okay, you can refer this file. You can copy the content of this file in your own separate file, paste it, do some changes in that examples. Okay, and keep this file unchanged. Okay, so that you can refer it again and again. Clear? Whatever changes you are doing, copy it and paste it in your own file. and then you can do the changes. Clear, everybody? Very good. Now, can we move to if statements, or you want a 5 minutes break? Anybody? Break you want? Yes or no? No. Yes, online people want a break. Junu,
No, we can continue.
Omkar, Krishna,
No, sir.
Five
Not required.
5 minute break.
5 minutes break. Okay, we'll start at 10:20.
Thank you.
The screen is visible on.
Yes.
Omkar, please read.
Okay. If statement. If statement is the most simple decision making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain statement or block of statements will be executed or not. That is, if a certain condition is true, then a block of statement is executed, otherwise not.
Yes. Karthik, read this.
If statement. It is the most basic type of conditional statement. It checks a condition and executes a block of code if the condition is true.
Yes. The simple if statement. If, what is this if? Is like a gatekeeper or is like a boss. Okay. Okay. So if boss is correct, then the employee will work. If boss is wrong, employee will not work. Similarly, if the gatekeeper allows you to enter in the if block or enter in the premises, then only when you are a genuine visitor, only your ID proof and the person you are going to meet. If he is telling, okay, that person genuinely came to meet me, so that time only he will allow you to enter. Okay, this you think this example you can remember. So if x greater than 5, x greater than 5 condition is true, so I will get the output x is greater than 5. Got it? So if this condition is false, I'll not get any output because there is only one condition. Okay, nothing else is written there. Yes or no? Only one condition. If the condition is true, give me the output. If the condition is false, don't give me any output. The print statement will not work because you are here at this point. Yes, you'll be able to go inside only when you are true. If you are false, you'll just go to the next line. And on next line there is nothing. Yes. So this is what it is. Got it, everybody? So this is a normal if condition. You can write multiple if condition also. This is one if condition, another if, third, 4, 5, 6 if conditions. You can write. Okay. Here, tell me what will be the output, Bhumika? Hmm? Yes. What will be the output in the terminal? This is what terminal. Here, what I will get? Hmm? We will not get anything because this condition is false. Yes. So I will not get any output. Okay. If I make it true, okay, it's cold outside. This I am getting. Whatever it is written in this print statement, I will be getting that. Got it, everyone? Here, name I have written this, Alice. Yes, I can change the name. If name equal to Alice, give me the output. Welcome, Alice. If name is something else, I will not get an output. Only for the Alice, I'll get. Right now, I'm not getting. Yes. So I say again. Now I will get. Yes or no? So here we are checking whether whatever it is inside the name is it equal to Alice. So condition is true, output I'm getting. If else statement. Now the second type is if else. As you can see, for the if only one if condition. Either I will get output or I will not get anything. Yes. So this create confusion sometimes. Yes. So I'm not getting anything in output. My code is wrong or what? Okay. So sometimes you can get like that. So minimum two condition will be there always, right? So if I do a toss, what I will get? Head or tail. Yes. So if I write if head print, you won the toss. I can write else you lose the toss. Yes. I don't have to write any condition there now. If head, you won the toss. If tail, you lose the toss. Yes. So this kind of two condition no need to write. Two times if condition no need to write. If there are only two conditions. Okay. Understood? Head or tail will get only two outputs, right? So if output equal to head, print you won the toss. Else you lose the toss. Alright? This is if else combination. If else combination. We'll use this when I have only two conditions. Okay? Let us suppose voting. If I have two things, I just want to tell either you are eligible for voting or not eligible for voting. So age greater than 18, you are eligible. Okay? Else you are not eligible. Because once you are greater than 18, until you die, you will be able to vote. Yes or no? So the person who are 125 years old, that also go for voting, right? Because the right is there. Until you are alive, you will be able to vote. So age greater than 18, true, you are eligible for voting. Else, you are not eligible. Clear, everybody? So there will be only two conditions. I am putting there are the two conditions. Either a number will be odd or even. So two conditions only there, right? So I will be using if else. If x mod 2 not equal to 0. See here, when I what is the use of mod? Reminder it will give, right? If I'm dividing 9, if I'm dividing 9 by 2, what will be the reminder? 1. If I'm dividing 8 by 2, reminder will be huh? 0. If I'm dividing 7 by 2, 1. 6 by 2, 5 by 2, 4 by 2, 3 by 2, 1. Okay, 2 by 2. Okay, so in this way, whenever I'm getting reminder 1, it is a odd number. Whenever I'm getting reminder 0, it's a even number. Yes, so I have written this condition x mod 2 not equal to 0. Okay, not equal to 0 means it can be anything. In this case, it is 1. Yes, so print odd. If it is not 0, print odd. Else print even. Now see, when I am writing here, what is there? 8. Yes, 8 mod 2 is what? 0. 0 not equal to 0. Condition is false. Condition is false. So going directly in the even. Going in the else part. Going in the else block. Yes or no? If my if condition is false, going in the else block. If condition is true, going in the if block. If condition is false, going in the else block. If condition is true, going in the if block. Clear, everyone? Let me write here 9 so that it will be true. This block will be executed since the condition is okay. So make it 8 and here condition is, because every time while teaching I do some changes. So some changes there are. So don't see whatever I have written here in this. Okay, just focus on the code. Okay, sometimes I just run the code and forgot to do the changes. I do some changes here and forgot to do the changes in the comments. Okay, so whatever I'm teaching right now, you focus on that because everything is written here already. So x is even. Yes sir. If I write here 9, x is odd. Now, so if your age is greater than 18, you are adult. Okay, and less than minor. Clear? So in this case, output will be your minor.
So whether like writing the code, you have to use the proper this is the sequence that you have to write. Like is then the if statement, then you have to like write down the print statement over there. Then you have to go to else and print.
Yes, because see, if you are writing the condition, okay, if you write the condition, if you don't write in the body of that block, what is the use of that condition? Yes, we want some output. Yes, if this condition is following, I want to see some output in the terminal. Yes, whenever if I give you some money, I want something back from you. Yes or no? Just giving the money, not getting anything back, it's loss. Yes,
And
similarly,
also,
writing.
before print, you have to like mention some spaces, or is it if we are like entering after 18, it will automatically come up as
Yes,
spaces.
see here, I'm entering it. You'll get this. This is for understanding purpose, and Python indentation is important on this kind of like boss statements. What are the boss statements? If, else. Yes, when they are checking for some condition, when they are doing some work, like for loop. For loop will repeat itself for few times. Whenever whatever the condition I gave, for that much time it will repeat. So for loop is also doing some work, right? Higher level work. Print is doing just print work, one single work it is doing, right? But if condition is checking some condition, else part is also checking some condition, and these are some kind of keywords, right? So whenever I get this kind of words, so at that time I have to give the indentation. Or if you don't remember when to give, simply you have to, after this colon, you have to enter. It will give the proper indentation. Automatically it will give. Only this kind of proper ideally tools. In the normal ID Python, yesterday we downloaded, right? White screen. So there you have to give a proper indentation. Okay, got it, everybody? If you don't give a proper indentation, you can, if this kind of error is coming, you can go in this problem section. You can see here expected indented block 41th line. 41th line you need require indentation. So now here you will go and you will give the indentation. This error will be gone.
And also here you can like use tab to like select like uh, whatever the variable you have updated over there. You can select tab, but in ideal you cannot do that. You have to write down the whole thing. Right?
Yes. So if I'm writing something, I will get a prediction. Print.
Yeah.
PRT I have written. So here options are giving what you want to select. If I click on tab, it will get automatically. You don't have to type whole. Okay, this kind of some uh, advantages are there. So this control shift alt A is for multi-line command. This is also applicable here. Yes, not in the ideal.
So in the offices that they use Python, so they are also using these kind of things, not that idle kind of thing.
Yeah, they can use VS Code. There are PyCharm, Anaconda, different tools are there.
So all are like the same thing.
Same. See, coding part is same. Yes, it's just the tool you want to learn. Okay, learning for a tool you will right, get only 15 minutes. Only the interface is little bit different. Got it? So learning tool is not very much a big task. Okay, whenever you join a company, they will tell this tool we are learning. You can go for a quick uh, tutorial of this particular tool. Tutorial for VS Code using Python. Yes, so they can say this is how you will connect Python to it. This extension will download, and this is how we will. These are some shortcuts which can be doing. Yes, same thing which we can do in here Jupyter notebook also. If I create a Jupyter notebook, okay, X Y Z. Let me create it on desktop. Okay, it's on desktop. So here is the Jupyter notebook where at x equal to 10, y equal to 20. If x less than y, print x is less than y, and here I can run it. Okay, run. This running, it will take some time. Getting x is less than y. Okay, so this is a Jupyter notebook. Okay, you can add, see this code and markdown. If you say markdown, I can write some sentences. Huh? After giving what? Enter. No, asking what you are speaking. I'm unable to get it. What you are asking? After giving.
After giving the entity, they have to give tab as enter. So we have to give.
Which key you are saying? End key. End. What you are telling?
No, I guess she's asking like after like putting the whole thing, how to run the terminal and
Run the code.
I guess.
This
For
is
that, there is option.
there is option for running here. See, this is markdown. This is only for giving some comments here. Okay, I can give comment here also. Control slash will work. Okay, if I want to give some highlight. Okay, learning if statements. Okay, so I'm done with this.
Like commenting part those.
Giving some highlight, headings, description like that. And here, if you see plus code, you will get option for coding. Markdown. This is what markdown learning statement. If I want a code now, plus, so I'm getting this run button here. In this, I don't have run button. Yes. So see, Bhumika, what you are asking? Here I'm printing. Now what to do? What do you want in this?
Yeah. If you have given the information, right?
Yes.
For the result, you have to give enter as tab.
Huh. So okay. So here is a run button, or I think F5 will also work. F5 is a shortcut. Okay. See, F5 is working. I'll be getting some output. Just wait, it's taking some time. Okay. Control F5. Getting the output in this terminal. Normally, if I run the button, I'll get the output here itself. Okay. So this is what Jupyter notebook. Same we are doing. Yes, same coding. The syntax for Python will be same everywhere. So we are learning the syntax. Okay, how to work with the Python. Just the interface will be different, working for different. So just now you have seen the Jupyter notebook. So you are now able to write the code, right? Yes or no? Simply you are just need to know how to write the code and where to run it. That's it.
So it doesn't matter like
Doesn't
which
matter.
platform you are like,
Yes. We are using VS Code because I have the habit of VS Code. Yes, and you are learning from me. That's why you are learning VS Code. If some other trainer is teaching you, they can take on PyCharm, they can take or any other code.
So what is the most widely used?
See, widely
In
used.
Indian market.
See, while working with Python, people prefer PyCharm and all. But why do I prefer VS Code is on VS Code, if by tomorrow, if you decide to learn something more, like if you want to learn Java, also, you don't need to download anything special. You can work with Java here in the VS Code itself. simultaneous.
SQL also.
SQL also, but I have not worked with it. Okay, SQL also we can run here. If you see the proper steps to connect SQL with the VS Code, that also you can do. Okay, I remember it. We can do it. SQL generally, I do it in the CMD for learning process. Okay, see, while working with SQL, MySQL -u -p enter. You have to enter the password. Okay, so all the database will be seeing. So we can do it with the command prompt also. Python also we can do it with command prompt. Whatever thing is there, everything is possible. This is all computer. Yes. So can we come back to the topic? Now if elif else let. Now there are more than two condition. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 100 condition, whatever it may be, whatever the length of the condition. Now I can use if elif else. Got it? So read it, Omkar.
So
Omkar, I said. Omkar, I said. Yeah.
yeah, the if statements are executed from the top down. As soon as one of the conditions controlling the is true, the statement associated with that if is executed, and the rest of the ladder is bypassed. If none of the condition is true, then the final else statement will be executed.
Hmm. Let us see. So there are few more condition examples of if elif. You can see it when I share this file with you. Okay. I'll see if elif statement. Now here x greater than 0, x greater than 0, then positive, x less than 0, then negative. Yes or no? Whatever number is less than 0, all are negative. Else x is 0. There are only three conditions, right? Either number will be negative, positive, or 0. Yes. So in this case, we can use if elif else. Yes. Now I can use only if condition also. Let me copy and first run this code. Now this part will run 0. Yes. Let me show you how to debug a program. How to debug a program. I'll put a debugger. What I'll do? I'll put a debugger. This red dot is known as T. Okay. So after this, I can go to run. Say start debugging, or you can click F5. If it is not working, just go to run and just say start debugging. Python debugger. So now this cursor will come here. It is telling how you have put the point here, right? We are starting the code from this point. Okay. This lines, see, as soon as I say run, I will directly get the result. Yes. But while debugging, it will run step by step. On each line, it will show me from which line you are going on which line. Yes. So when I say click on this down, value of x is what? X equal to 0. Now, if I click on this next, go to next step, it is directly going on the elif. Yes, because this if x greater than 0, this condition is false, so it will not go in the print statement. Yes, sir. It is going in the elif. Elif also false. Yes or no? X less than 0, it is also false. Now, if I say on next, see, now it is directly going inside the else part because these two conditions are false. So now what is remaining? else part. So going inside the else part. So when I say next, so it is printing x is 0 and going on the next line because code is over. Got it, everybody? So this is what debugging is. So let me write one here 1. So this time what will happen? Let me first stop debugging. Run, start debugging. So it is on this line. X value is 1, which is positive. So x greater than 0. It is true. It is going inside it. It is printing now. Yes. So print. X is positive. It is printing, right? So as soon as this condition is done, it will not check for any other. It will not go on. It will directly end the code. Now this if condition is true, it will not go for any other. Got it? Himanshu, want to ask something?
Now, what is the number for this?
Which number?
There is a number before x is positive, right? So that's what I'm saying.
X is positive.
No, down in the terminal.
Okay, here. So it is just continuing. It is not printing on the next line. Sometime it happens. Okay. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So now I will write -1. Okay. So now let us check what will happen. Run. Start debugging. So checking the condition. X greater than 0, false. Going on the next. X less than 0, true. So it should go inside the print statement, going inside print statement, right? So now it will give me x is negative. As soon as this condition got executed, it will not go on any other step. Yes, because these all things are connected to each other. Yes, it is telling if this condition is true, print this. Else if. Okay, after if there is what? Elif check this. Otherwise, the if condition is true, don't go for anything else under it. Got it? So this is the meaning of that, if, elif and else. But what about only if conditions? Copy. When I only want to write the if condition, okay. See here. Here also I am writing if, and here also I am writing if x equal to 0. Okay. Right now, let us put it -1. Okay. So first it will check. Let me put the debugger. See how the code is going. In the previous thing, if any one part is true, it was not going for any other part to check. It was coming out of the code. Yes or no? Now, okay, here also the debugger was right. So it is starting from that point. So I have to remove that debugger. So I want to start from this point. So whatever point you want to start with, only that point, that single debugger should be there. Okay. Otherwise, it will start from the previous debugger. Okay. So now here, I'm telling run, start debugging. So it is starting from here. X greater than 0. It is false. Yes. So checking the next. This is true. It will print. Now again checking x equal to 0. Yes. It is false. Understood, guys? Because these all if statements are independent statements, not dependent on each other. If this print that, if this print that, if this print that, all are independent. But when if else, if is false, if block is false, go to the else part directly. If elif else, if block is wrong, go to the elif block. Elif block is wrong, go to the else block directly. So these are related. Yes or no? But these all three if statements single are independent. Yes, they have no relation with another if. Got it, everybody? So which one is effective? This three if are effective or if L are effective. If L, because if the first condition is true, not checking for down, right? No need. We are writing the code in that way. If the first condition is true, no need to check for another two conditions. Yes. But if condition, we'll check all three conditions. So it will take more time because my first condition, first if statement is true. Let us suppose I make it one. So my first one is only true. Then also going for the second one and third one. Yes. So it is waste of time. Yes sir. So in this case, when I have this three condition and all are connected to each other, so this if first condition is true, another two are not checked. Another two are not checked. But if all three are if statements, so all three will be checked, irrespective of whether they are true or false. Got it, everybody? Very good. Bhumika, are you getting? So you got it? How to debug a program? Yes, everyone. So now whatever program is there online, you will get. You'll just copy paste it in the VS Code, debug it, and you'll know how the code is running. Just by seeing the code, you'll not understand sometimes, right? So from this line where it is going. But when I debug, so that yellow line will highlight whenever you click on the next line. So it will see from this line it is going on that line. From this line it is going on that line. So then you will get a proper flow. Then you will understand it easier, more easier. Okay. So throughout the course, for every code you will debug it. It's compulsory for you until you will feel that just by seeing the code I am understanding it. Until that point, you will debug it. Got it, everybody? So multiple times when you debug, and you are going for every code. Okay, this is how it will run. This is how it will run. This is how it will run. So your brain will keep on learning. Okay. So one point will come. At that time, you no need to debug. Now your brain is debugging itself. Clear? So after that point, you will be able to write the code. Okay, understood, guys? Because for writing a code, you know what steps should be there, right? You should know what steps should be there. If you don't know the steps of writing the code, if you are unable to debug it in your brain, you'll not be able to do the coding. So now here, how many elif are there? 1, 2. Yes, I'm writing what? 75. Grade greater than 90, greater than or equal to 90. Output will be A. Greater than 80, output will be B. Greater than 70, output will be yes. So it will keep on checking first, second, then it will come for third. Now this condition is true. Now else part will not go. Yes, this block will be executed since the condition is true. This block will not be executed since the previous condition is true. Yes, got it, everybody? These blocks are false. Okay. Now here, what will be the output? Let us suppose we are just checking for triangles. What are the type of triangles? Triangle, you know, triangle. Equilateral triangle. EQUI. What is the spelling? Karthik? EQUILATEREL. EL. Whatever it is. Let us pronounce it as equilateral. Okay. So all three sides are equal. One more triangle is there. Or it is isosceles. Spelling is correct. Let us say iso triangle. Triangle spelling also I don't know. Isosceles triangle. Any two sides are equal. Okay, that is known as isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. SCELEN. Whatever it is. Scalene triangle. All sides are not equal, or any side is, or all sides are equal. All sides are unequal. Okay. So now for this I have to write the code. So these are ABC are the sides of triangle. There will be three sides ABC. Let us name those three sides as ABC. So now if A equal to B and A equal to C. So A equal to B, A equal to C. All are equal to each other. Yes or no? These two conditions A equal to B and A equal to C are true. Then it will be a equilateral triangle. If I say A equal to B or A equal to C or B equal to C, any two are equal. Yes. Or operator what it is doing? Yes. If any one is true, output will be true. Yes. So if say A equal to B is true and other are false, so then also I will get the output. Yes or no? Got it? Bhumika? Huh? Na, but A equal to C is true, na? A equal to C is true. Any one statement is true, then it is true. Output will be isosceles triangle. Iso I am getting. Yes or no? Karthik, Pradeep, Himanshu. So now any one is all are unequal. Let us suppose this is 10, this is 100, and this is 9 or 9. Okay. So then scalene triangle, all are different. Scalene triangle. So what I have done here, I have given if statement and elif for 2 times. Another way I can do. Tell me another way. Elif else I can do, right? If I am, let us say, copy. So what I can do, else part I can write here. I can remove this condition. No need to give the condition in the else part because there is only one thing which is remaining. That's why no need to give the condition. So this one is also possible, right? Got it? So if elif, so it's not compulsory to give the else part after this. As you can see, it is running, right? If elif, so it's not compulsory to give always else part. Okay, it's your choice. You can give, it's better, it's helpful, right? Giving else part is helpful when I know there is only one condition remaining. So just writing the else part, giving the output whatever I want. But when I write some elif, so I have to write this much big condition, right? Yes or no? So elif was easy for me. If elif else part was easy for me, right? So still, if I have that knowledge, so I can use elif part also. Depends. Clear? Any doubt? So these are also the if elif part. Nested condition. Let us see now. Nested condition. So nested statements. Nested. Junu, please read.
Yes, sir. So nested if Nested if is a if statement that is the target of another if statement. Nested if statements mean an if statement inside another if statement. Yes, Python allows us to nest if statement within if statement. For example, we can place an if statement inside another if statement. So the syntax is if condition, and then it executes when condition 1 is true, and if the condition 2, it executes when condition 2 is true. So if block is end here.
Let us try this example. I want you all to focus on the indentation also. See here. This is the bigger if, which is outside. If, else. Okay. Now inside this if statement, there are again if else statement. Yes. So you can see this indentation. Whenever there is indentation, out the bigger if is outside. Another, let us suppose, let us give it name like CEO. Okay. And manager. Okay. So under CEO who works? Manager. Okay. Under manager employee works. Yes. So this is also a manager, right? Else part. Got it? So this is also CEO. Okay. Or we can say what to tell co-CEO, can I say? I don't know whether the post exists or not.
CFO.
Different managers are there, multiple. Okay, got it everybody? So this is if this condition is true, x greater than 0. Is it true? Because x value is 8, so it is greater than 0. It means the value is positive. By this I am getting the value is positive. So now I am checking whether the x is divisible by 2. Yes. See, x mod 2, reminder is what? 0. 0 equal to 0. So condition is true. Yes or no? So output will be x is a positive even number. Okay, positive even number. If x value is 9, let us think x value is 9. Output will be, see,
X is a positive odd number.
see x mod 2 is 1. So this condition is false. This one is false. So directly it will go in the else print statement without checking anything, because there is only one option now. First I will check the condition for if. If that is false, so directly without wasting a single second, will directly go inside the else print statement, because else doesn't have any condition. There was one condition, first we have checked it. If it is not, so only another option is else part. So going x is a positive odd number. Okay. Now let us say minus 8. What I am doing? Minus 8. So x is greater than 0? No, less than 0. It will go in the else part. Yes, it will go in the else part. In else part, what I am doing? I am just trying to make it positive for proper working. Okay. A equal to negative of x. Minus of minus x is what? Positive x. Yes. So here I am checking a. A mod 2. A mod 2 is what? 0. So x is a negative even number. Negative even number. Minus is negative. And 8 is even number. So negative even number. Yes. Now if it is minus 9, then it will give me X is negative odd. Got it? Clear? Any doubt? So this is what nested if. Clear everyone? Bhumika? So now let me tell you what to do. This is your homework 1. Okay? Here it is given. This question you have to do only with the if statement. These questions you have to do with the if else. These questions you have to do it with if elif statement. And this you have to do with nested. Clear? So how many are there here? 3, no, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Okay. See, for taking the input from the terminal, you can use this command I am writing here. Let me show you. By default, this much part will take input in the form of string. Okay. Let me show you. Type A. This is how I will check the data type of A. Yes. So I'm running. It is telling enter a number. This is what it is written inside this statement. That's why it is giving me the output. It is asking me to enter a number. Let me put a number. Okay. Given the number, enter. The type is what? String. Yes or no? I am entering a number. So why I will enter a number in the program? I want to use it as integer. That's why I will ask for number, right? So as it is giving me the data type string, by default it means whatever input I will give, the by default data type is what? String. So I want it in the integer form. So I will do typecasting. Yes or no? I will do typecasting. From outside, I will say integer. So now output will be same thing. I will enter integer. Got it, everybody? So previously, without the int, when I was printing a, so output was string number. Same thing was there. It was in the string format, looking like a number itself, but it is in the string. When I say int, then it will be a number. So for telling you, b equal to input, enter a number. Here also let it be a number itself. Okay. So 2 times I'll take the input, and 1 time I want to do the addition of these two, a plus b. So what will be the output for this time? Let me Bhumika will tell. I'm entering one number 12. Enter. Then 23. So output will be Bhumika. Right. Give me wrong answer. This is the second day of Python class. Okay. If you are understanding, that is fine. Not understanding, you can see the recording throughout the week. Okay. Just the thing is that at the end of this course, you should be a better version of yourself. Understood? Hmm. What is the answer? What repeat? Okay, by default input, what it will take? The data type by default. Just now I told, right? By default input will take which data type? Just now I print the data type for input, enter a number, right? So what was the output? String, integer, float. What was the output? String. Yes. So for this thing, the string was output. I wanted to make it integer, right? So from outside I have written int. So it was converting into integer. Right now both are string. Yes or no? Both are string. So what will be the a plus b of this? 12 and 23. Huh? What is? Output will be 23. No, it will be concatenation. Yesterday I told you, right? Concatenation. Adding of two strings is concatenation. So 1, 2, 2, 3 will be the output. 1, 2, 2, 3. It is joining two strings. What it is doing? Joining two strings. Because it is in the form of string. But I want in the output of integer. I want to add these two numbers. So that's why from outside I will write int. Okay. So now I am running this. So output will be same. I will give the enter 12, 23. Output is 35. Okay. Now it is integer. That's why I'm getting output as 35. Addition of two numbers. Addition of two integers. Yes. Previously it was both the things were strings. So I was doing concatenation. Here I am doing arithmetic operator. This plus operator is acting like an arithmetic one. Yes. Before it was doing concatenation. Clear? Same plus operator is doing two different tasks according to the condition. Yes or no? Clear? Very good. So now you know how to take the input from the user. Some questions are there. They will tell take the input from the user. So generally what we have habit, I will just write a equal to something 10, 20. Yes, this is our habit. So instead of that, just taking the input from the user means taking the input from the terminal. So every time I run the program, a different input I can give so that I can test all the test cases. Okay, I will try to enter different numbers every time. Okay.
Can I just write like this A equal to like instead of input directly you can write enter your number H.
No.
First string you have to write input compulsory.
Yeah, input is a keyword which is taking the work of that is take the input from the user from the terminal. Directly, if I say enter a number, this is just a string. It doesn't have a meaning. If I don't write this, then also it will work. Only the thing is, I'm not getting any output to see. See here is nothing output. But when I say 20, now it is giving. Yes, just to understand, just to see something in the output. That's why I'm writing here something. Okay. Because of this input, when I run this, I can see something written here, right? So now can understand I have to enter something. Yes. Without this, if I run this, see input is working, input function is working, but nothing I am able to see in the terminal. Yes. Nothing I am unable to see. Nothing. See here. So 10 plus 67 is 77. Yes. So there was nothing visible, but I knew that I am the owner of this code. That's why I know what I have written. But if you are working and if you are only seeing the terminal, what should I do? You'll ask. Yes. For that purpose, I am mentioning this statements here. Understood? These statements are important for that purpose. Just to be visible in the output so that the one who is entering something, he should know what to enter. He should know in this case, you have to enter a number slash age. Yes or no? Otherwise, he will enter his name or something, right? How will you know what to enter? Yes? When I will mention that, then only he will enter. Clear, everybody? So that's why this string is important here. If I don't mention, and if you are the owner of the code, you know what to enter. Because you are writing the code, you know what to enter in B, what to enter in A. But someone else is entering some values. Yes? That time we require the output. Okay, in the terminal. so that the one who is using your code, he should understand what to enter. Clear? So understood how to give the input? Very good. So these are 12 questions. How many? 12. See here. Write a program to take a number as an input and print positive if the number is greater than 0. So now you know how to give the input. Okay? Everybody? Now this is one homework, which is not enough for whole week, right? Whole week you have to be occupied. That's why homework number 3. Same questions, topic is same. Homework number 3, topic is same. If else, all that topic. Just here it is not mentioned what to do. It's your choice. You can use if statements, you can use if else, you can use nested if, anything you can use. Just I want the output of all these questions. These are 70 questions. Okay. Daily 10 questions or 15 questions if you do, in 5 days it will be over. 15 5s are 75. Got it everyone? So start doing it from today itself. Daily for next 5 days you'll be doing it. Okay. And I'm not telling that you have to do it by your own. If you are not getting it, you can take help of internet. But how? You'll copy the code from there and paste it in your VS Code and you will debug it. You will see how the code is running. And then you will remove the code and type it yourself. We are in the learning process, guys. I'm not expecting much from you. I'm just expecting a proper homework. The question you should understand and you should run it. Okay? Clear everybody?
So for every question, like we have to create a new file and.
No. Not like this. The way I'm giving you, right?
Okay.
I'm commenting, right? So I'm giving lines in between. Yes? So that I'm understanding. There are different programs, right? So this is what I want. So let me show you. I'll create a new file. Python file. Here, I'll take all the questions. Okay. Control A, copy. Okay. These are a lot of number. Just to give you example, I'll take a small one. Homework 1. I'll say Control A, copy, and paste it all in the VS Code. Control A, Control slash. So all have become comments. Now under each question, you can write your own answer. Okay, let me show you. Under each question, you can put enter, write your code. Okay, write your code. Let us suppose one code you have written, copy. So this green one is question, red one is answer. Got it? So for going for the next, you can comment this. Okay, you can comment this code and go for the next one. So that only the next which you are running, that will be run. The previous will not run. Yes, no need to run all this at the same time. Yes. So if you are working with this code, you will uncomment this. You'll try to run it. If answer is correct, you'll comment it back. Then go for the next one. Next one you'll write. Yes, you are understanding, right? Question, answer, question, answer. So similarly, you will create a proper file. Yes, got it everybody? Any doubt? So Wednesday you will message on the group, or Thursday night, Friday morning, whenever you feel that I'm done with the homework, you'll ask me for an answer file. What you'll do? Ask me for answer file if required. So I'll be sharing the answer file on the group. Clear everybody? Got the process? So we'll be packing up for today. Online people, have you got it? Juno?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir.
sir. Got it.
Krishna?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yes, go for the recording of yesterday and
Mm,
solve. Don't waste the week. Anybody should not waste this
sure, sir.
week. Yeah, who is that? Are you asking something or you are telling yes, sir?